In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to create a video post. To start, go over to your post, add new post. The first thing you want to do is give your new post a name. And in this example, we will call it test video post. Go ahead and save your draft so that you don't lose any of your changes. It's a good habit to save your drafts often. The next step is to scroll down your page, and you'll notice, because you're using Thrive themes, that you have the option to choose your format. And given that this is a video post, go down to video and select it. As is the case with every post that you create, scroll down to your category and choose the appropriate category that is related directly to your video. We'll just use car finance as an example. From there, scroll down to your tags and create some tags that are relevant to your post. Then click add. The next step is to add a featured image. We'll just add the image of a vehicle. The next thing you want to do is go to your YouTube account and choose the video that you want to use in your video post. Importantly, you'll need to choose the entire URL that is in your search bar up the top. So click on it, highlight, copy. Now coming back to the inside of your post, you'll see Thrive post format options. In this case, you're using a YouTube video, so you want to take the URL you've just copied, click in Ctrl+V to paste it in, and then you have a number of choices that you can make to configure your video and how it shows. Typically, I would hide the related YouTube videos. They are the videos that you will see after your video finishes playing. Auto hide the YouTube logo. Often I will leave the auto hide player controls unticked so that the viewer has the option to scrub through the video to the point that they want to see. I would hide the video title bar. I would leave autoplay off, which is particularly important if you have a number of videos in your newsfeed, so that all of your videos don't play at once. And I often click on Hide Full Screen button. Once again, click Save Draft to save your progress. With video posts, using your Thrive content builder, you will have the option to either create your video post inside your standard WordPress admin post section, or if you're looking to create something fancy with your video, you can click the Edit with Thrive Content Builder, which will take you to another page where you have the option to use a number of beautifully designed templates for your video. For this example, we're going to use the standard WordPress post page. Again, we'll click Save Draft to make sure you don't lose any of your progress. Go ahead and click Preview, just to have a look at your post. As you can see here, the video that we chose from YouTube is embedded inside of your post. You can see the writing that I added inside the standard WordPress post area, which is this is a test, and add more content here. So the more writing you add there, the more content will show on your post. Go ahead and click the YouTube play button to make sure that your video is playing. The video is working okay. Go ahead and close out of that test page. Now from here, it's time to add some more content for your search engine optimization. You'll see here that the name of your video post, your test video post, is actually called test video post. This is drawing the information from your title. Go ahead and add a focus keyword that's related to this particular post. In this example, we've used car finance. So you might want to add something like looking for car finance. The aim here is to turn all of these red and orange buttons into green to get the best SEO performance. You can add a number of keywords. I recommend though only having maximum of 3 and keeping them related to your video post. Clicking down one, you'll see that there's no image for your Facebook preview or your Twitter previews. And we'll go ahead and add an image. In this case, we'll use the woman sitting in the vehicle as our example. Don't touch the Meta Robots index. There's no need to change any of these settings. Go back to Readability tab and look at the things that it's asking you to look at. If it's red, the text does not contain any subheadings. This will mean that you can highlight your text and choose headings, subheadings, and so forth. It is good practice to have your first line of your text as your main heading tag and your subsequent as heading 2. And once that is saved, scroll down to your SEO area and you'll notice that the color has changed to a lot more green and fewer reds. There is room for improvement. You'll also notice over here is the same quick reference for your SEO, which is readability is okay and your actual SEO needs improvement. You can go in here and create a snippet, which is your description of your post. This is a test post for car finance, available to all Star Finance clients. You'll see here that the orange bar progressively moves to the right hand side, which indicates how far or how many more words you can use in your meta description. When you've completed your video post, it is a good idea to take that information and have it transcribed that can sit below your video for those viewers who actually like to read your content. And in the event that you want to add more than one video to your post, it would probably be better to create individual posts so that you're not overloading your post. So if you'd like to add a video inside of your actual content window, simply grab that URL from YouTube, Control V, and then you'll see that the same video shows inside your post. As you can see, there's the original video that we first put into the post, followed by your subsequent video that we put into the content area of your post. And once you're satisfied that you have everything that you want inside of your video post, go ahead and click the publish button. That will then put your video post up onto your website for everyone to see. So that concludes the tutorial on how to create a video post.